East and peace in the green. Speed indicating. 50. 65, rotate.
Surface wind 20016.
Golf Delta Whiskey is rolling to takeoff. I'll be doing a left 10 out. Golf Delta Whiskey.
East and peace in the green. Whoa. We're really being blown about at the moment. 40. Rotate. Left turn out. DY. Completely into the wind. Flaps up all the way.
Editorial radio, that was an interesting takeoff, very gusty. Turning to the south now, going to Essex on 125.625, Golf Delta Whiskey.
Yeah, I think it's 120625 mark, but see you soon.
Oh, thanks for that. That was Heathrow on the way in. 120625. Thanks, Peter. Bye.
Yeah, Golf Delta Whiskey, what transit were you looking for?
Golf Delta Whiskey, as direct as possible to Brookman's Park, please. Golf Delta Whiskey.
Golf Delta Whiskey, Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, that's copied. If you route towards matching initially, we'll just wait for one departure to get out of the way, then I'll clear you more direct, and that's not above 2,400 feet VFR.
Not a problem at all. Routing towards matching now. I've got 1022 on the QNH and not above 2,400 feet VFR thereafter when I get the clearance. Golf Delta Whiskey. Thanks.
Alright, heading back to Blackfish now. That was an interesting takeoff. We'll see how it looks like.
Charlie Lima, radar control service.
Traffic
Radar control, Charlie Lima. Golf Delta Whiskey, radar control service.
Ready control, Golf Delta Whiskey. And with a request, please.
Go ahead.
If you could hand me over to Heathrow radar later, that would be much appreciated. I'm looking for the west of Escott Burnham transit back towards Blackfish, Golf Delta Whiskey.
Delta Whiskey, no problem at all. I'll speak to them and we'll do a handover.
Thank you very much.
Delta Whiskey.
Ground speed of 85 knots heading towards the south-southwest with a, well, at least 25 knot headwind.
Golf Delta Whiskey, Heathrow, have your details. They'll change the score for you, 125.625. Bye-bye for now.
25625, thank you, and take care. Bye.
Let's go 6002, descend to...
Good afternoon, Heathrow radar. This is Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, now inbound to Blackfish. Squawking 7403, I've got 1022 on the QNH, Delta Whiskey.
Golf Delta Whiskey, Heathrow, hello, and squawk 7040.
I've got 7040, Golf Delta Whiskey.
I didn't get a read back there, just confirm Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, squawk 7040.
7040, Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, how do you read?
Golf Delta Whiskey, how do you read?
Delta Whiskey, I read you 5.
Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, nothing heard at this time.
Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, I read you 5, radio check.
Okay, no, I can't hear anything at all. Can't hear anything coming back at all.
Okay, what I'm going to do is swap my plugs to the right and I'll call you back. Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey.
Thank you.
Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, Heathrow radar, how do you read?
Golf Delta Whiskey, readability 5, just confirm the squawk 7040.
7040 being squawked, I'm talking to you from the P2 seat.
Perfect, and we're just changing controller now, so my colleague will call you back for clearance very shortly.
Not a problem, thank you, Golf Delta Whiskey.
Golf Delta Whiskey, if you pass to the west of the Denham ATZ and then route Burnham, direct Blackbush or Burnham Ascot Blackbush in the London zone, not above 1,200 feet VFR.
West of Denham ATZ, then VFR not above 1,200 feet. Burnham, I'll go direct Blackbush, Golf Delta Whiskey, thank you.
Roger.
Good afternoon, Blackbush information. This is Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey inbound from Bracknell. Request joining information.
Golf Bravo Juliet Delta Whiskey, Blackbush information, runway 25, the left-hand circuit, QFE 1010.
QFE 1010 for 25 left-hand circuit. I will report dead side. I'll report entering the ATZ from dead side, Golf Delta Whiskey.
Golf Delta Whiskey, roger.
40 knots of headwind at this level now. Indicating 60 knots ground speed. Oh, indicating 100 knots. Golf Delta Whiskey entered the ATZ on the dead side, squawking 7010.
Golf Delta Whiskey, roger, report downwind, no other circuit traffic to affect.
Welcome, Golf Delta Whiskey.
It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me, so alive and tonight.
Golf Delta Whiskey is downwind tonight, 25.
Golf Delta Whiskey, roger, report final.
Welcome, Golf Delta Whiskey. Okay, let's get the flaps in here, because base is going to be really quick. Get the speed down. And let's get the 2 stages of flaps in. And base now, this is going to be fast.
They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love.
1 power in to go around. Golf Delta Whiskey's final to land 25.
Golf Delta Whiskey, runway 25, land at your discretion, surface wind 230, 05 knots.
Did you say 5 knots, Golf Delta Whiskey?
Yep, 5 knots, gusting 12 knots.
Yeah, I was thinking it's not 5 knots up here. Landing, Golf Delta Whiskey, 25.
Oh, this is it. With you right next to me, so alive and tonight I don't wanna go. This is everything, with you right next to me, so alive and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
That certainly wasn't 5 knots, I tell you. Golf Delta Whiskey, runways vacated, request taxi parking.
Golf Delta Whiskey, roger, taxi parking.
Taxi parking, that certainly wasn't 5 knots. Very blustery up there today.
Yeah, I must say that's the lowest it's showing so far, but yeah, it's 2-minute average, that's what it says.
I know I got lucky there, but yeah, it's over. See, look, there's tailwind now. Delta Whiskey shutting down, and If you hang around for a second, I'd like to do a radio check.
Golf Delta Whiskey, roger, no problem.
Golf Delta Whiskey, radio check.
Golf Delta Whiskey, readability 5.
Radio 5 also, Golf Delta Whiskey. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.